Sweeten up your menu selection with the Frozen Beverage Machine from Vollrath. Designed to chill, freeze, and dispense a variety of flavorful frozen drinks, including slushies, smoothies, granitas, frozen cocktails, and more. These machines will be a popular, versatile addition to your lineup. They're thoughtfully designed to produce superior results with ease and efficiency, so you'll love them just as much as your guests will. With 6 or 10-liter bowls for each configuration, there's sure to be one that fits your unique needs. No matter what size you choose, these machines are ready to deliver. Thanks to a magnetic drive, the Vollrath Frozen Beverage Machines promise smooth operation and simple cleaning. Designed to prevent damage to the auger motor if product freeze-up occurs, this magnetic drive system is more durable and requires less maintenance than a traditional drive system, offering longer service and worry-free operation. Unlike other machines that monitor temperatures to regulate slush production, Vollrath Frozen Beverage Machines measure torque density to create a consistent product. Whether you're preparing slushies, smoothies, granitas, frozen cocktails, or something else, they can adjust to ensure exceptional consistency all day long. The spigot features a gasket-less design that makes cleaning fast and simple, and fewer parts are easier to keep track of so nothing gets lost. Simple on-off switches make operation a breeze, so anyone on your staff can operate these machines. Each bowl is independently controlled for impressive versatility. The bowls feature an angled design to help reduce waste and keep your frozen drinks flowing until the very last drop. Optional double-walled bowls minimize external condensation for a clean, attractive presentation. These sleek machines feature a streamlined design with fewer parts. This makes disassembly, cleaning, and maintenance a simple task that saves valuable time and effort. It's never been easier to minimize downtime and keep your machine running in tip-top shape with Vollrath's white glove 24/7 service. Offering industry-leading performance, quality, and consistency, the Vollrath Frozen Beverage Machines are sure to stand out from the crowd. Learn more at vollrathfoodservice.com.